Hi there, my name is Darlon Pucci, my channel is Casa Di Pucci. Today I'm gonna show you step by step how to make a ham, cured ham, similar to prosciutto. I'm gonna show you step by step. On the end, I'm gonna cut and try. And just you know, I just changed my camera. Now I'm using microphone, so the audio won't gonna be perfect. So the most of the audio gonna be much lower. So sorry about that. But let's see the prosciutto coming up. All right, here I have the ham. That's of course is not the whole ham, it's just the bottom part. And what I'm gonna use to make the prosciutto is just this part here. There's a bone, I'm gonna cut in here and make a nice shape. And that's the part I'm gonna use. That's the best part. And I'm gonna remove the skin. That's what I'm gonna do now. It's a pain in the butt, gonna take a while. Okay, I separate. Here's the bone, and that's the part I'm gonna cure. I left the ham curing in the fridge for 2 weeks. Now I'm gonna remove from the bag and wash in running water to remove the curing. As a casing, I'm gonna use beef bung cap. It's a beef tripe I already washed and left in water to remove the salt. Now I'm gonna apply the mold 600. protect, to avoid any other kind of mold that are not benefic to develop in the surface. So now I'm gonna put in the curing chamber. Now I'm gonna place the prosciutto in the maturation chamber or curing chamber. I'm gonna stay here until lose around 38% of the original weight. The settings is temperature is 56 Fahrenheit and humidity is 75%. Okay, cured ham took 37 days, lost 41%. Now I'm gonna cut and try, and let's check it out. Okay, the end of the video. I slice it using a knife, just cut a little, I don't know how I say that, but thin as possible to be able to enjoy. Cured ham, smell so good. This is delicious. Right, Piper? I laminate it as thin as possible. Thank you for watching. I see you on my next video. Bye bye. Good.